Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Windows 11 screen brightness control not working. Go over to the search bar icon below and type Task Manager. Then select Run as Administrator. In the Task Manager, click on the file above and select Run New Task. In the pop-up, click Browse. Go to this PC, then open Local Disk C, then click Windows. Now look for System32 folder and open it, and then click CMD and click the Open below. After that, check the box under the file path, then click OK. Now in the command prompt window, type this command and hit enter. Wait for it to finish, then close the window. After doing that, go to your device manager. In the device manager window, expand the display adapters, then right-click on your display adapters, then click the update driver. Choose Search Automatically, then close the window if it is finished. Next, right-click again on your display adapter, then choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select the second option, and select the model adapter that will show up. Then click Next below. After that, go back to the device manager. Then expand the monitors. Then right-click on the monitor and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically. Now restart your computer and it should be able to fix the issue.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.